guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we are switching things up and we are headed out of town. It's going to be a travel vlog today. We're going to Charleston, South Carolina. That's where Rob and I got married. So we're going back. Technically, when I'm filming this, it's Valentine's Day weekend. So we're taking the family, we're taking the kids with us, and we're gonna be staying just for a couple of nights. I'm actually working with a brand on a sponsorship. So it's kind of like killing two birds with one stone. We are going to enjoy our Valentine's Day weekend, but we're also kind of low-key sort of working, but it's fine. We're gonna have a fun time. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna hang out with us this weekend in Charleston, South Carolina, then please just keep on watching. Let's see what you got on today. Oh, real. Hey, Rob. Hey. Pink chicken nuggets. Okay, you guys, we just arrived to the house and this is what it's looking like. I am so thankful. Shout out to Verbo. That's who we're working with this weekend. They hooked us up. I want to say like historical type home in Charleston. For some reason, it reminds me of even like a home that you would see in London or like Brooklyn, New York, like one of those like old school homes. So I want to show you upstairs. We'll do a little house tour. So this is going to be the kids' rooms. They have their own bed in here, obviously. We've got a TV, a dresser, and then this is their bathroom. This is what it looks like when you walk in. Look at that tub. So like vintage. Then when you walk in here, there is another bedroom, and these are all closets. So technically this sleeps 14, but obviously it's just the four of us. And then our room at the end of the hallway is in here. And I love this. I love the wallpaper. I love this lamp. Like as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, this is our room. I feel comfortable in here. We've got closets over on this side. And then when you come around here, we have the bathroom. The only downside is that we are right on the street, like literally right on the street. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be loud, but hopefully not. We'll see. This is the shower. Literally, look at that. You can shower at the same time. There's two shower heads, you guys. And when I saw this, we're at the end of the hallway away from the kids, I was like, oh yeah, like this is definitely gonna be our space. And then go downstairs. And I wanna show you the back of the house too. There's a pool out there. And obviously when I post this, we have already left. So here's a bed. Did I show you this bedroom too? I don't know if I did. Anyway, and then there's like storage closets over here, half bathroom in this one, right? Pretty sure. Yeah, this one, half bath, and storage closets. The kids got hooked up to the Wi-Fi. Look at this kitchen. Like this is just like our kitchen at home. Well, our sink. This is just like our sink at home. Dishwasher, all the cups, all the glasses, all the babies. Hey guys, are you excited? Do you like it? Yeah. Bree, what about you? You like it? Okay, period. And then this is what it's looking like out back. Hey Rob, come on in. Come on home. This is what it's looking like out back. We just pulled in back here, and then we have like a patio where we could eat, our car, obviously. And then look at the pool. This is so beautiful. It's so nice. I love this. Like we are definitely gonna be enjoying the pool. I hope we're able to enjoy the pool. It's kind of cold, but we'll see. They could heat it up. They said we could heat it up, but so anyway, this is what it's looking like out here. I'll show you the front later. This lip liner looks insane. We went to the Well Hung Vineyard and it was really, really good. I got the Cajun pasta, but you guys, my stomach is hurting now. Like the food was really, really good. It was delicious, but I don't know if it's age or what, but like I can't eat the same things I used to be able to eat. We are back in, almost at the hotel, in our Verbo rental house. And you guys, it's nice. It really is nice, but it's just very, very old. So like the doors, we're having to kind of figure out like, okay, we got to put a little elbow grease in this one. The locks on the doors are literally like so tiny and thin. It's just old. There's a lot of creaking floors, slanted floors. It's just old. It's like, I feel like this is a 100-year-old house. Like it's just really old, and I'm not really used to like super old things. We said a prayer. I've honestly been praying all day, but we said a prayer when we first came in, just because like I kind of was like, ooh, I don't know, it's kind of old, kind of, I don't want to say creepy, but kind of like something along those lines. So we have been praying this whole entire time. We prayed when we first got in there, Lord, protect this house, protect us in this home. I'm not playing. So that's what's going on. I'm about to do my skincare. Hello. Come on, who is it? Hi, Bree. I'm filming. I got my camera propped up right here. Hey, Bree. I don't even know if they can see you. Ooh, hey, Mookie. Are you having fun in Charleston?
Yeah.
You like it?
With my iPad.
Okay, good.
You want to see that symbol?
Yeah, go ahead. They're having so much fun. I'm not saying anything in front of the kids. They're having so much fun, so I'm like not even, and there's really not anything bad to say. It's just old. So we went to the toy store today. We went to a couple different toy stores and we picked up some Jellycats. You all know I love my Jellycats. The kids love their Jellycat. It's just something fun for us as a family. Briella got a basketball one. I'm going to take off my makeup, end the day, and we will pick back up tomorrow. Okay, and Briella wants to share. She also got a lion for Valentine's Day, a lion Jellycat. So we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, we are about to head out to breakfast. It's the next day, and I wanted to show you my outfit. It's this matching set from Lululemon. It's so cute. It's got polka dots. Like, I think this is just adorable, and I'm carrying it with my new bag from Coach that I showed you in the last video. This is the Lana 23. I'm obsessed with this set. I feel like this is so cute. It's just a Define jacket and then Define leggings, and then I have on my New Balances. Okay, this is a pretty good angle. Actually, I really like this angle. Okay, so this is what the fit is giving. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't have my mic. It is what it is. This is the fit, just polka dot matching set, Lana bag. This is what it's giving. We've got our New Balance sneakers on. This set is so lightweight. Like, it feels so airy. Like, I almost feel like I don't even have anything on my legs. So comfortable, and I love it. So let's go to breakfast because Mama is starving, and we're on vacation, and vacation calories don't count. So let's go eat. we are here in Charleston. We went to Mount Pleasant this morning. We did a little bit of shopping. So we're just in front of the water here. It's so beautiful. I love it. Yes, I've already been on Zillow. Come on now. It's so nice here. I will say I like this part a lot better than like downtown. King Street was a little bit much. It was a little too overstimulating for me. We went to the market, which was cool. It was really busy. But sitting right here is just so nice. It's just so nice here. I can't get over it. Can we stay here forever?
No.
Oh, wow. Okay.
No.
Well. I wanted to show you guys the front of the house before we go in. This is our home away from home for the next couple of nights. Well, one more night after this. We have one more night. Okay, you guys, so future me might regret this, but right now we are in our swimsuits. The kids convinced us to get in the pool. It is, please don't, your hands are freezing.
About 30 degrees.
No, it's not 30 degrees. It's, I want to say it's got to be like maybe 45 degrees, 50 degrees. So it's not too cold.
It's also not too warm.
It's not too warm. So it's going to be a little uncomfortable. Well, they already started heating up the pool, so it should be warm in there. I don't know what heated means to them. Heated means to me, I'm hoping it feels like a hot tub, but I don't know how warm it's gonna be. We'll see. But I'm literally in my swimsuit. Bree's in her swimsuit. RG, oh, the tripod's in the way, guys. Hold on. RG, should we just, hold on, let me just hook it up here. Okay, you guys, so I had to make do. These are literally, hey Rob,
hey.
these are literally pajama pants, and I have my swimsuit on underneath, obviously. Now, RG and Briella back up so they can see. Briella's got her swimsuit on. Hey! Dad, we had to make do. RG's got his swim stuff on. Mama's got her PJs. Hey, y'all.
I have regular swim trunks, but this is just a Henley that I have.
We're just making
That's
do,
his
okay?
PJs.
It's really cold, so I'm actually excited. This is gonna be funny.
And
So, okay, are you guys ready to go outside? Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. We could go out that way. Okay, let's go swimming. Okay.
Just sit at the edge.
Y'all. They're swimming, y'all. Not really. I got it. Wait, bye. Say bye, guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, we are playing this game. It's called Rush Hour. Basically, we have all these little toy cars and it's a traffic jam and you have to get the red car out. Please tell me you remember this. I used to play this as a kid, and so this is bringing me back right now. But we're starting with beginner. We thought we could just jump right into intermediate, and yeah, no, that was way too hard. So we're doing beginner. This is such a cute, fun brain game. The beginners are pretty easy. The intermediate, yeah, that was really difficult. So this is how we're spending our night at home. We just got back from dinner. We had an Italian night dinner and it was delicious. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Uh-oh, it fell off a little bit. That's okay. All right, let's cross the street. Okay, you guys, we are pulling up to where Rob and I got married. It was in here. This is the Thomas Bennett house. See? Oh
Wait,
my
so
God.
you got married at a governor's house?
Yes. Yeah.
Can you show us the exact spot?
Yes. Oh, Rob.